Are you looking for a simple way to make money online? Affiliate marketing could be your ticket. In this video, I'll break down what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can start earning today, all in just 3 minutes. Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. Think of it as being the middleman. You recommend a product to someone, and when they make a purchase through your unique link, you get paid. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs you can join. Here's how it works. Step 1: Join an affiliate program. Sign up for a company's affiliate program, like Amazon Associates or Bluehost. Step 2: Get your unique affiliate link. This is a special URL that tracks sales back to you. Step 3: Promote the product. Share the link on your blog, social media, YouTube channel, or email list. Step 4: Earn a commission. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's that simple. Here's how to get started today. Choose your niche. Focus on a topic you're passionate about, like fitness, tech, or cooking. Find affiliate programs. Search for products or services related to your niche. Platforms like CJ Affiliate and Impact make this easy. Create high-quality content. Write blog posts, create YouTube videos, or share engaging posts on social media. Add your affiliate links. Include your unique links in your content. Remember to disclose that you're using affiliate links. It's required by law. Pro tip: focus on products you've used and trust. This builds credibility and makes people more likely to click your links. Once you've started earning, scale up. Drive more traffic to your content using SEO, email marketing, or ads. The more people see your links, the more money you can make. And the best part? Affiliate marketing can generate passive income, meaning you earn while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. So why wait? Start today and watch your earnings grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.